Hello, digital enthusiasts. Introducing TouchSuite, a merchant and payment processing and POS system. Are you ready to explore the world of CBD payment gateway? Strategies for efficient integration? Today, we're diving into the essential strategies that businesses in high-risk industries like CBD, credit repair, and e-commerce need to know for seamless payment processing. Stay tuned because this video is packed with valuable insights. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement is highly appreciated. Understanding high-risk merchant processing. Accepting credit cards in such industries requires finding a payment processor experienced in high-risk merchant processing. A well-suited merchant account ensures compliance with regulations while minimizing risks and maximizing revenue. The significance of payment processing systems. This involves complex procedures, including authorization, capturing, and settlement. Integrating a reliable payment processing system is crucial for businesses to provide a smooth checkout experience and gain customer trust. Exploring e-commerce payment solutions. Merchants can set up e-commerce merchant accounts and integrate payment gateways to enable smooth transactions. This facilitates the acceptance of credit cards for e-commerce, making it convenient for customers to shop online. Navigating credit repair payment processing. Credit repair services cater to individuals seeking to enhance their credit scores. To accept credit cards for credit repair, businesses must navigate the complexities of credit-related regulations. Overcoming challenges in CBD payment processing. A CBD merchant account, coupled with a CBD payment gateway, enables businesses to process payments efficiently while adhering to legal requirements. High-risk credit card processing solutions tailored for CBD merchants mitigate risks and ensure smoother payment acceptance. Enhancing customer experience with payment gateway solutions. By understanding the intricacies of high-risk merchant processing, leveraging payment processing systems, and exploring e-commerce payment solutions, businesses can enhance customer experience and fuel growth. The future of payment processing. This holds exciting possibilities, promising even more efficient and secure ways to accept credit cards and conduct online transactions. Thank you for joining us today on this enlightening journey. If you're searching for trusted payment solutions for your business, visit TouchSuite's website. With over 20 years of experience and trusted by 50,000-plus companies worldwide, TouchSuite is your go-to payments provider. Farewell for now, and we'll see you in our next video.